Irani's warning and Israel's strike. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu had stated, Iran can no longer manufacture ballistic missiles, and their weapon depots have been destroyed. In response, IRGC spokesperson Ali Mohammad Naini issued a fierce warning. Our missile technology has a perfect score of 100 and 100ths. We can continue to manufacture missiles even under war conditions. There are no obstacles to this. The enemies will experience severe pain with every single attack. The aftermath. Just hours after issuing this statement, early morning of March 20, 2026, Ali Mohammad Naini was killed in a precision Israeli airstrike in Tehran. Along with him, Ismail Ahmadi, the intelligence chief of the Basij force, was also killed. Commander Ali Mohammad Naini, the manner in which Commander Ali Mohammad Naini was identified, and the secrets behind the operation are truly astonishing. Here are the key reasons why he was pinpointed with such precision. 1. Bodyguard cell phones, the weak link. To ensure security, high-ranking Iranian leaders do not use smartphones. However, the bodyguards and drivers surrounding them often do. Intelligence agencies can locate these leaders by tracking social media posts made by their security detail or by hacking their mobile devices. In Naini's case, it is believed that his movements were monitored through signal intelligence (SIGINT) by tracking electronic signals emitted around his location. 2. Infiltration. Intelligence agencies have deeply infiltrated Iran's highest security echelons. Through field intelligence, informants operating within Iran, precise information is gathered regarding when and where leaders meet. Information about where Naini went to rest or the specific building he occupied after releasing his statement may have been relayed instantly. 3. Artificial intelligence and drones, AI, and drones. Modern warfare utilizes drones equipped with AI, artificial intelligence. These drones feature facial recognition capabilities, allowing them to identify a target from thousands of feet in the air. It is highly probable that such surveillance took place over Naini's location before the missile strike was launched. 4. Signal interception. Since the strike occurred just hours after his warning, it is possible that the methods used to prepare his speech or the telecommunication devices used for its broadcast were intercepted and monitored. In summary, these precision strikes are the result of integrating advanced technology with human intelligence, HUMINT.